Yeah, today I'm gonna try to replace the alternator belt here, or the drive belt, or whatever you say. And this is the Toyota Starlet, this type. And as you can see, I have no servo. I think this is servo and air conditioning. I don't have it, so I'm just having this simple belt to replace, and I need to remove that bolt. It's a 12mm bolt, and pull it back. And now the tension should be pretty tight. You can see I'm pushing pretty hard here. It's not much slack, about half a centimeter in every direction or something like that. It's a bit more here. Yeah. So I'm gonna release that 12mm bolt, pull it back, and hopefully the belt will loosen. I managed to loosen it. It wasn't stuck hard. So now I can just... It's a bit tight though, and I get if you have a servo and what else, I think you have a brake, or the brake oil on this side, also on top here. Small pieces. If you have a shorter one, it's better, of course. Now it's loose. Should be able to pull it back. We got a mark there. See the white there? That's good. It's probably been replaced before than this, but I haven't done it. There we go. I pull it back like that. Focus. It's hard to see the mark, but I see it. There you see it. So now I should just be able to, I can pull it a bit more. There we go. Maybe not so easy anyway, we'll see. It's pretty tight here. It's up here. Yeah. Oh, it's coming. Let's just fiddle it out. And here we have it. How worn is it? Pretty worn. It's about time. Got lots of cracks. See cracks all over the place. So it's definitely time. This is the new belt, Optibelt RBK. To be about the same size. Yeah, it should work. New belt is on. I can't find any direction, so I put it where the text looks good. And just gonna tighten it. Hopefully they're the same size, so I'm gonna go to the white dots there and then tighten it. I don't think I have to show you, but it was simple, this job. It looks like this belt is shorter or something. So you can see I'm not completed the white marks here. So, but it's pretty tight. And I don't want to go too tight because then the bearings and the alternator will break. I've done that before, so I'd rather have it. This is sort of like it was. It's a bit looser here. But I'm gonna run it and see if it needs to be retightened. We'll see. Let's start it. Yeah, looks good to me. Let's see. It's screaming. Looks pretty good. Okay, thanks for watching.